Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to buy your Namecheap shared hosting. But before that, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you will learn how to get started with your Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance in Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university for free today, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to buy your shared hosting from Namecheap. Buying a shared hosting from Namecheap is easy. It all starts with going to Namecheap using my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Namecheap. Link in the video description below. Now go to hosting and click on shared hosting. From this page, you can select your data center location. You can also select your billing cycle. As you can see, you can select between three hosting plans. The first one is the Stellar, the second one is Stellar Plus, and the third one is Stellar Business. In my case, I will go with the Stellar Plus plan. It gives me a free domain name, unlimited websites, and also auto backup. Since I already have a domain name, I will go with existing domain name. Now you should create your account, give it a username, password, first name, last name and email address, and click on create account now. After that, you will be redirected to this page again. I will enter my existing domain name and connect it to this web hosting. Now click on add to cart. From here, you can also select your billing cycle. I will leave it at 1 year and click on confirm order. Now they asked me about my account contact information like first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, country, phone number, and email address. After filling this form, click on continue. Now give them your payment method. You can pay using your credit card or PayPal. In my case, I will use my credit card. And after completing this form, click on continue. And from this page, you can review your order before paying it. Everything looks good, so I will check the terms and agreements and click on pay now. As you can see, they are now processing my order. And that's it. My order is completed successfully. To access your account, click on the Manage button. And I am now inside my Namecheap hosting account. To give your cPanel interface a visit, click on Hosting List. Then go to cPanel. And this is the interface of your cPanel inside Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.